Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you're like, is she wearing blue lipstick? Yes, I am. So Karity, one of my favorite makeup brands, they are a cruelty-free makeup brand. So all you vegans out there, this is a great brand for you. I just got their new liquid lipsticks in the mail, and y'all know that I don't really do the out there colors, but I wanted to try all of their lipsticks. They sent me the entire line, so I'm super excited to show them to you guys. We're gonna go through every single one. I'm gonna do a talk through throughout the rest of this video, but I just kind of wanted to introduce these liquid lippies to you guys and basically tell you about them before we get into the try on haul or whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, so Karity has 9 new liquid lippies out. These are matte liquid lippies. I love a matte lip. You guys know I'm famous for that. Like on my channel, I love wearing matte lips. This blue color is really freaking me out right now. Like I'm looking at it in my viewfinder and I'm like, yo, I'm wearing blue lipstick. I will say though, I had to do a lot of coats just to get it this dark. The darker colors you're gonna see are a little more sheer and sort of watery than the other colors. So that was something that I was a little like, but when they dry, they actually dry pretty like pigmented, if that makes sense. So like if you want it to be super pigmented, you're just gonna have to do a few coats of it. I would let it dry a little and then apply another layer, if that makes sense. So that's kind of what I had to do with this blue one. You're gonna see me just like continuously applying it, but I'm not mad at it. I actually like it. You just see some sheerness around here. So that's the only thing I would say that was kind of like off about the darker colors, but I really like the fact that it's a cruelty-free brand and that they have this like wide range of colors. So yeah. All right, so let's get into the info on it. I have an info card here just to give you guys the right information. The mattes are comfy, intensely pigmented, and dry down to a velvety matte finish. Polish off any look with a stunning lip color, now in 9 new shades, available in 25 colors on Valentine's Day. So I wanted to get this video up before Valentine's Day. If any of you guys want to purchase some new lippies, you can definitely check out them, and they retail for $6. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says Karity on it. It's a nice little like plastic clear bottle with a black top, super sleek, super simple, and it says the mattes. So it can't get any more simple and easy to know. I look like Missy Elliott right now. Than that. Sorry you guys. Alright, so let's get into this trial haul. Love you guys. Bye.
So just a heads up guys, I'm going to be using Coco Loco by Jordana to line my lips throughout this whole video. Now I'm going in with the color All Night Long, which is a really pretty like nude. It's like a more of a pink based nude. I really love how this dries. I'm just blending it in with that liner, and this is how it looks. Very pretty nude color. I'm going in again with Coco Loco around my lips. I like to use a brown just because it pretty much goes with all of these colors, and you can hide it under the other colors as well. So I'm using Diana, which this one is even more of like a pink base nude. It's really pretty. I love this color. Honestly, it would probably be like an everyday color for me, just like a nice pretty girly nude. And then I'm going in with this brown color, which is a little different for me, but I love brown. This is in the 212. I do have other brown colors, but honestly guys, this one might be my favorite so far. It's very like brown but subtle, if that makes sense. It's not too much of a brown. And then this one I really liked. I love the fact that it's like an auburn orange, if that makes sense. This is high key. It's really pretty, especially with my skin tone. So I love this one as well. It's one of my favorite colors. And then there's this one. This is Pepper, I believe, and it's super bright. So this one I probably would do if I was feeling really bold that day. It's a nice red orange. Very bold. that's all I can say is it's very bold, but it does look really good. All of these colors go great with my skin, honestly. And then I'm just going in with this pink color. This one's more of like a bubblegum pink, very girly. This is Primrose Hill. I really liked it, but it's not one of my favorites out of them. And then we're going in with the green. The green was a little different for me. I'm not used to playing around with this deep of a color, but I honestly am a little pleasantly surprised by how it looked. I feel like it looks good, and this is Matcha Gracia, so it's like the color of matcha. It would look good with like a nice fatigue outfit. And then I'm just gonna go in with this blue color. Now when you put it on, it's starting to look a little purple, and then as I added the layers, 99 problems, actually I added 99 layers for it to really be pigmented. I had to like sort of let it dry as I added the layers, because it dries sort of sheer, so you just kind of have to keep adding layers to get it to get the color you want. But overall, I really love all the colors. I'm pretty satisfied. Make sure you guys check out Karity and order their mattes. I love them.